Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. So this evening I went to this store because they were handing out these sticker sheets that have some discount coupons on them, and I was most interested in this one. 40% off on one toy of your choice. So I had been to the store last week. I did a in-store video there on the Matchbox real working rigs. So I decided before I went in I was going to get one of those, preferably the International Flatbed tow truck vehicle. So I picked that one, and then I saw that there were some new Matchbox 5-packs to the right of it. So I started looking through those because some of them I had not seen in real life yet. And then I noticed some new Hot Wheels 5-packs too. Some of those I hadn't seen in real life either. But then I encountered one that I had not seen at all, not even on YouTube. And that is the Speed Blur 5-pack. That has some card art here on the back of a very interesting car doing a burnout, and that really caught my attention. So let's turn it around, and here it is. So here you got the name of the 5-pack, Speed Blur. So normal price, and then 40% off is what I paid for it. That's a decent price. I can find them a little cheaper sometimes, but not much. This seems to be a Silverado. I'm not quite sure. We'll see in a minute. Dairy delivery or monster delivery 4x4. I don't know these two. And then of course this one is the most interesting one of the 5-pack. So these all seem to have gray wheels in black instead of black. So that's not going to be to everyone's liking, but I think it's okay. So you got Speed Blur on the side here and some more card art. So let's open this up and take a look at it. I will lower the camera a bit so I can take a closer look. So this one is a customized C3500. So I suppose it's a Chevy. I don't know a lot about American cars, but it looks really cool. It's very wide in the back, very narrow in the front. 1979 copyright, so it's already pretty old casting, but I don't have it, so pretty cool to have it. It's got a dark gray interior. Then next up is the Monster Dairy. Says dairy delivery on the bottom, like I said before. (2012) copyright and retooled in 16. So also the first version I have of this one. Cool. And this thing is it doesn't say. It looks like Slingshot or something. I'm not sure. Maybe you guys can tell me. 2013 copyright. So a metal chassis and plastic body. Then we've got this one. No name on it either. I could not tell you what this thing is. I like the wheels, but nothing else, I must admit, honestly. XP07. Maybe that's the name, I don't know. But never mind. Most interesting one is the 71 Datsun 510 Wagon. 2012 copyright. There it is. Looking really cool. It's got gold lace wheels. It's got a dark gray color, non-metallic. A bit darker than primer gray. It's got some cool tampos that look to be Japanese. Got a white interior. What I think is cool also about this one is Mattel hasn't modified it to have a post in the back, so it still has the base clipping in here in the tailgate. I think that's cool. They should keep all of those station wagons like that, or other castings that have this back window. You can see 71 here. Here it says Kaido House. And here I can't read that. What is that? Leeway Racing, it says. Very, very cool. It says Hot Wheels on the top. A racing flag. So probably this means Leeway Racing in Japanese. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is really cool, and this is why, mainly why I bought this 5-pack. There you go. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.